How much money does a K-1 visa cost and its breakdown? When applying for the K-1 visa, the US sponsor must first file an official K-1 visa petition for alien fiancé. To do this, you will need to file an I-129F petition with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. The filing fee for this form is currently $535 US. The payment must be made at the time of filing. Once the I-129F petition form has been approved, it will be sent to the National Visa Center, NVC. You will then need to file an official K-1 visa application and will need to attend a face-to-face interview with a consular officer at their local US embassy or consulate. The consulate fee for a non-immigrant visa application to be processed is $265 US. This fee will need to be paid towards the end of the visa application process and must be paid directly to whichever US embassy that your K-1 visa interview takes place at. In total, the government fees for a K-1 visa application amounts to $800 US. It's important to know that there are other costs that you may incur as part of your K-1 visa application. Your foreign fiancé will be required to undergo medical exams in their home country before traveling to the US to attend an interview at a US consulate or embassy. The costs for a medical examination vary depending on the country and can range from $60 up to $300 US. Whilst not a part of the application costs, you should also consider the cost of travel to the US. Flight prices can vary greatly depending on where you are traveling from and may be significant. When applying for the K-1 visa, your foreign fiancé will also need to provide a number of documents such as their birth certificate, police certificates and passport. You may incur other costs whilst gathering these documents and will need to pay for them to be translated if they are not in English. If your foreign fiancé wishes to bring a dependent child with them to the US, then you will also incur extra costs. You will need to apply for a K-2 visa to bring a child. There is no USCIS fee if the child is accompanying the K-1 applicant, but you will have to pay an additional embassy fee and medical exam costs. The cost of hiring a lawyer to assist with a K-1 visa application. Applying for a visa to enter the United States is often a complex process. This is why it is highly advised that you seek professional assistance with your application from an immigration lawyer. The cost of hiring an immigration lawyer can greatly increase the cost of your overall K-1 visa application. However, it can also save you money. The application process is complicated and the fees to apply are high. If you have your application refused, then you will have to go through the same process and pay the fees again. Refusals can be common due to mistake within the application. An immigration lawyer can save you time and money by ensuring that you get your application right the first time. Our attorneys are trained in all areas of US immigration law and can ensure that your application is completed accurately, and to the highest standard. They will be there for you throughout the entire K-1 visa process, helping you to gather any documents that you may need and answering any questions that you may have. The cost of hiring an immigration lawyer to assist you with your application will vary depending on your individual circumstances and the services that you will require. Lawyers can average from around $1,800 to about $3,000 US for a straightforward case. Other costs you should consider are postage, getting files back and forth between you, your fiancé, your agency/attorney, and the government at various steps. If your attorney or agency uses secure document transfer, it can save time and money. Cost of acquiring certain evidence, hunting down old divorce decrees, bank statements or birth certificates can add to the tally. Passport, if the foreign partner doesn't already have a passport, he or she will need to acquire one. Passport photos are required for the K-1 visa. Make sure the foreign partner gets them in the right size and standards. Don't forget to hit the bell to get notifications for new updates. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching Telecom Record Entertainment, And if you find this information informative and helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Then view links in description below. See you in my next video.